Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Alex.
Alex?
Yes.
What's that? Is that your bed?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Who's that? Look at this. Alex, come play a song.
Okay.
Alex, show everybody your favorite toy.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Yes.
Hey, how about you show everybody your yoga?
Oh yes.
Come here on the ground. I want to shoot.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see your yoga. Hey Alex, do you know how to dance?
Yes.
Can you show us your dance moves? Alex, come over here and dance.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.